Ходит за окном и стучится в двери. Тили-тили-бом, кричит ночная птица. Он уже пробрался в дом, тем, кому не спится. Тили-тили-бом, ты слышишь, кто-то рядом. Притаился за углом и бросает взглядом. Тили-тили-бом, заскроет ночь немая. За тобой крадется он и вот-вот поймает.
This thing's just snuck up on
Fucking,
me.
I'll show you when. Hey, hurry! Hey, hurry! I'll show you another pack of snakes that I killed. They got me down to red health, like not even 2 seconds away from here. And
Man.
they make a shit ton of money.
This thing's fucked me up, dude.
But I can help you out too.
What's your name, man?
Let's cut this shit. Busy, man.
Oh fuck, I think there's more, man. Watch out. Is there any more? Holy shit, man, do they ever stop coming?
No. But you're about to make a shit ton of cash.
Hell yeah. I like money. I'm broke as fuck.
Hey, you can make even more money if you want to come over to Darkscape.
I don't even know where that is, man.
It's a place with bad men, basically.
Well, hell no, I don't want to
And
go there
scary
then.
shit.
That sounds terrible.
Okay.
Man, those things chase the fucking shit out of me, dude. Are you gonna grab this stuff?
No, it's for you, bro.
Why don't you want anything, man? I thought you said you were trying to make money out here. You must be stacked. I'm broke as fuck.
No, I told you, this is all for you. Come on, here.
Hold on.
Come
wait.
on.
I don't have a lot of room.
Come. Oh, well, you're gonna have to make room, because I'm about to give you more shit, so come on.
Man, are you
Pick
okay,
that up.
dude? Do you need any vitamins or anything?
Come on. No, come on, hurry up. I'm just fucked up.
Man. You don't look too okay, dude. You look like you got into some shit. You must have fought a bunch of those
Yeah, I
things.
did. No, I didn't actually. I fucking walked into an anomaly that wasn't there on my screen and it fucking blew up my shit.
Oh my god. I just saw one of those not
Yeah,
too far
and
away. I
then-
threw a bolt at it and it blew
Yeah,
up.
that was the one that fucked me up, man. Look,
Man, there
right
was-
here.
there was no-
Look, I'll cover you.
Jesus
Look.
fucking Christ, dude. You're like a mutant slayer out here.
Come on. Hold on. This is nothing, bro.
What do you mean this is nothing? This is so many mutants?
Yeah. And I fought them while I was with 1 red bar of health, man.
Dude, do you know what that fucking noise is?
No, that's the zone telling you to suck a dick.
Jesus fucking Christ.
There's 2 more right there. There should be more.
God
Yeah, I
damn,
shot
man.
way more than this.
You ain't playing no games out here.
No, that's it. Just those 2. Did you get these 2 right here? Over here? Did you get the 2 that I cut up?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Alright, man. Well, hey, good luck. I gotta go.
Shit,
I mean,
dude,
if you want
thank you.
that.
Oh, no, you're good, man. Thank you, though. High five.
Here you go. Yeah. Alright, good luck, man. But
Stay
yeah, go
safe,
that way,
man.
follow
Stay safe.
power
Be
lines,
careful.
and then once you find village, you'll be
Yeah,
fine.
yeah,
Oh,
I got
done.
you.
I go meet my friend in way station, so
Hell
I gotta
yeah,
go,
man.
bud.
Be safe,
See ya.
bro.
You too. Hope that gives you some cash.
Oh, hell yeah. Thank you. Okay. I sent him a thing. Oh man. This is awful. I thought I was so
Yep.
cool. I was like, I'm gonna go in this little attic and look for a stash, and then I'm like, I can't get out of the attic.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm okay. I'm alright. I got some vodka. I had some vodka. I'm out of vodka now. Otherwise, I
Oh,
would
I
just
see, I see.
drink in my sorrows. Why can't I just
Yeah.
crawl through this hole?
It's plexiglass, you know.
Oh, no. Why did I have to get so
Yeah.
curious?
Yeah, these are kind of the questions we ask ourselves in our darkest hours.
Something tells me you've talked to someone in the same exact position before.
2 days ago.
How did that go? Did he get out of the attic?
Don't know.
Oh no. Oh man. It's gotta be rough being. What? Don't they call you the mayor here? Is that what I've heard?
If I had a ladder, I'd help you out, but I don't. Yeah, Nathan Norrance, pleasure.
Oh man. It's John. One of the wolves actually
John.
named me John. John Doe. I didn't have a name yet.
Oh,
Called me John Doe.
oh,
And it kinda
that
stuck.
was you who messaged
Yeah, about those things.
me. Gotcha.
I was
Interesting.
with them
Fun.
last night when it happened.
Gotcha.
It was pretty intense, man, for
Fun.
my first night here. I didn't expect to get
Yeah.
attacked by some invisible monster guy who I shot with a shotgun and he just disappeared in front of my very eyes.
Yeah.
I really thought I was about to pop one of those dudes and be cool. And like he just growled at me and disappeared and I was like, what the fuck? And now I'm stuck in an attic, my second night. Do you see where
Yep.
this is going?
Yeah. You want to curb your curiosity just a tiny bit.
Maybe just a little bit.
Just a little. That's it. Just a tiny bit.
I mean, I thought I was so cool too. I was like, this
But,
is cool.
Yeah.
You don't got a chessboard by any chance, do you? Maybe a pack of cards? Oh man. What a day.
I have some good stories though if you want to listen.
Yeah. I like stories, man.
Okay, we can do a story. How about my rank 5 task for the wolves?
Oh shit. What was your rank 5 tax for the wolves?
I had to go all the way up to northern swamps, and I had to light a bonfire on an island that was highly irradiated all on my own for the entire night.
Wait, you had to
Hello,
sit
how are
out
you?
there?
I'm well. Huh?
You had to sit out there all night with the
Yeah,
fire?
all night long. Furthest northern swamp, yep.
What?
So, yeah, that's usually what rank 5 tasks are. They're incredibly hard.
So you had to worry about like all. I've never even heard of the northern swamps.
Monolith, mutants, radiation, bloodsuckers, all.
That does not sound at all nice.
But, oh, it was rough, but I got it done, as I usually do. But let's start from the beginning. So here I am, loner, you know, backpack, vest, shotgun, same normal sort of deal. And I knew some Freedom guys. I was pretty friendly with Freedom at the time, and they liked my company. So I got this guy named Billy Risen to go with me, right? Took Billy with me. And Billy was like, yeah, man, I'll help you on your rank 5 task, and it's totally fine, I can do that. So we start going through, and we leave at the worst time. We leave at like 1700 hours. We didn't notice, it got dark. We didn't have a flashlight with us. Good times already, right?
It sounds like.
We're stumbling through the swamps all the way to our destination, and at this point it's late. It's like crouching on like 11 p.m. It's dark. We cross over this train track up there, right? And we're on the complete other side. We were like, we're probably just gonna swim across the water. This is back when the radiation wasn't so bad. and we cross these train tracks, and all we hear is. And we start getting chased by bloodsuckers. So me and him, without even knowing where it is, or without even knowing where each other were, we just both immediately ran and dove into the water. Straight
Jesus
up.
Christ.
Bloodsuckers stayed at the coast, didn't follow us in, but we had to swim all the way across, and we nearly died swimming across. The water's very, very biting cold, and you'll get hypothermia quick and die. But we made it across, and we were alright. So we headed up north, and that's when we cut down the trees and, swam out to the island, built the fire, and that was pretty much the calmest part of all of it. Billy, he doesn't go up all too often to the swamps. He wanted to know the area, so I was like, you helped me, might as well spend some time up here while we're here. Right? Well, we start heading around. We're going to go up to the Skadovsk, which is, there by some anomaly. We've got the barman and stuff that are there. We're going to go trade with them. So we brought some rubles along, might as well. We get lost. Good times. And we sort of stumble around for a bit. And it's daytime at this point, so we're in a better shape, at least in terms of visibility. And we run on over to the northern part. There's a monolith tower there. The big
Jesus,
domes,
you went towards
what
one
I
of
mean?
those things?
Yeah, so we sat at it, and as we're walking up to it, I was like, it'd be really great if we hunted a chimera up here. And Billy looks at me, he's been around up the north, like, way more than I have. I stayed on south, and he was like, oh, buddy, there's no chimeras up here. And we get up towards this thing, and I'm like, that's kind of a weird-looking rock over there. And he's like, yeah, why is it brown? Chimera turns around, starts running at us.
Oh my god.
We hop up on something, we fight it, and after it dies, he turns to me and he's like, there are chimeras in the northern swamps. And we had a good laugh about that. But then we started trying to head back down south, and
We should, stick a note up on this building by this thing that says don't go through the hole.
I was gonna do it. Yeah, after you.
Warning,
I think I'm gonna
if you go in, you're stuck in an attic.
Yep.
Well, at least I'm safe from emissions, right? Man,
yeah,
it sounds like you've
yeah.
been through some shit.
The story's not done yet. Still a whole lot. There's like another half.
Jesus Christ, dude. I can't believe you
So,
made it back
he did
alive.
Get whacked.
What do you mean he got
Yeah,
whacked?
he got whacked with a chimera. He got whacked. He was okay though, but it split his gas mask.
Ooh.
I, for some reason, had a second one with me, but he didn't notice it until too late. He caught 6,000 rats.
Oh, I don't think you can survive that many
So,
rats. No way.
No, he did.
What?
I helped. Some field triage goes a long way. I know how to live. I got him up next to a lake, right? And we started, pouring water into his mouth. Pouring water. And he just eating, pouring water. I brought up some food with me. I brought quite a bit, for the whole
Mister.
night. We didn't end up using most of it, but
Whenever you are done with your story, I would like to speak to you for a minute, if that is okay.
So, sure. Give me a minute. But yeah. So we got him settled, back down to like 0 rats. But he was in a rough spot, and we were out of food at that point. So we needed to head back to army warehouses. We're getting towards the end of our little story here, but we start getting back, and he's like, man, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Between him getting hit by the chimera and running out of food, he was fading fast. Now, before we left army warehouses, like a good loner, I was given a gift of some very illicit green leaves. And
dong bottom
he
leaf.
didn't know because he never tried it. But he got hungry, and I was like, I don't have any food left, and I was like, oh wait. And I started feeding him nugs of weed, and he
Jesus
lived
Christ.
because he ate nugs of weed.
Well, that's a
It
hell
was-
of a fucking
you ask him,
trip, man.
he'll remember it.
6,000 rads?
Yeah. It
God.
was a crazy time. That was my tier 5 tab.
That sounds like that was a fucking trip, dude. I can't believe you guys made it out of that one.
I'll never forget.
I can barely make it to Cat Farm and back. I'm getting
You'll
there.
get there one day,
I'm working
man.
on
I
it, man.
swear.
I mean, I can't
You do a
even.
lot with
I
the
can't
double
even make
barrel
it
and
into an
deuces.
attic in the back.
Fair enough.
Too bad there's no way to wiggle out of here.
Yeah. I'm gonna go down here since you need.
Kom ja, precies.
people call me Mayor of Corden.
Bro,
Okay.
I'm free. Freedom.
What?
I am
How'd you
Abdul.
get out?
I have
Oh,
no
did you
idea.
get
I
help?
did
Yeah.
I don't know. I did a spinny
you
roll.
fell through the floorboards?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Oh, okay, good, good.
Whew. I think I'm done
Yeah.
exploring attics for the rest of my
Congrats.
existence. I don't think I'm ever gonna go another attic again.
Yeah.
I heard it's a very
That is a
stalker thing
great
to do, to
idea.
like look through the. Alright, show yourself. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about whatever the fuck growled at me. Hey! I know you're out there. Think I'm deaf or something? What?
Maybe you should take it easy, my friend.
No, man.
Rest up by the fire. Go ahead, friend. I'll keep up the guard and patrol.
Okay, okay. You just make sure that you don't try and take this thing on alone.
Hey,
I'll be here bullets.
have you guys seen the mayor anywhere?
He's wandering around. Just call for him.
He's either wandering around or he's just resting his eyes for the day.
I heard something crazy over by Cat Farm a minute ago.
Yeah, well, I fucking saw the thing that was going crazy.
No, you didn't? Here, right now?
No, I saw the thing. It's some humanoid creature.
Like right now? You saw it?
Nah, like when it first, roared. Hey, look.
I don't know, man. I heard something crazy by Cat Farm.
It
Scared the shit out of me,
in
dude.
case of some ghosts or something, huh?
You sound like an old friend of mine there.
My name's John Doe.
Stalker, it's me, Stalker.
John Doe. John Doe, you remind me.
How are you?
Your voice
I'm
reminds
good.
me of an old friend of mine.
I just wake up.
If I was you guys,
I'm
I'd be
going to
really
the
careful
military.
north of here. I heard the loudest roar I've ever heard.
Yeah, I think we might be under siege, or this animal's just messing with us. Seems to be very intelligent.
Like an old friend that I once tried to summon a demon in Rostock with.
Hey, I wouldn't say that word around here right now.
Oh, I know.
No, that first thing that you ever heard, it roared twice.
Maybe that's what I heard all the way over by Cat Farm. Man, I know it scared the fucking bejesus out of me, whatever it was though. I just heard it. It sounded like it was in the
man, can you
distance.
imagine what I thought? I was fucking feeling. It was like fucking 5 meters away from me. Shit myself. I think I
Yeah.
need to check my underwear.
What's up, man? Hey, do you know where that little road behind here goes? The one right over there? I went up by those houses to check for radiation and it seems like it's pretty clear.
Goes towards Rookie, my friend.
Oh, okay, just goes around? Alright. Cool. Thanks for killing those dogs, by the way. Do you guys want any of the mutant parts for, like, doing that?
Oh, no, you take it all.
Oh, thank you. That's gonna get me my dinner for today. I think I'm gonna go back to Corden now and go, sell some of these parts and try to buy some food.
Alright, mate, take care.
Maybe I'll...
I'll let us if,
maybe I'll wait. I'll just heard some more howling.
Yeah, I'll wait for a little bit, and when we are done with those, you should be able to take off pretty safely. And holler at us if you hear anything about any bandits or anything. Just come here.
Oh
tell
yeah,
us
yeah,
straight
of
away.
course. Do you guys know what this radio transmission in the secondary PDA is talking about?
Watch out.
Damn. fuck is happening?
Try.
It's that fucking thing, isn't it? It's that fucking thing, isn't it?
What just happened?
It's that thing, dude.
One more.
Dude, this is that damn thing, man.
Fuck, everybody okay?
I've heard about this. We
No, we
might
got
have
one man
seen-
down, one man down.
This is that thing from the other night.
Who's
We
down?
might have seen incoming. I've heard
Yeah.
about this.
This is that thing from the other night at the Stalker camp. This is the same thing that happened to us.
Cover sides, cover sides.
Wait,
Don't
go
stay
inside,
in the west
go
place.
inside.
Like 40 dogs came over the hill at us, man. It was insane,
It was
dude.
like, it was like the day before. It was like the day before.
Bro, it's fucking sin.
It was
This
worse
is
than
not
at the
live-
Stalker camp, man. And I keep hearing this fucking thumping noise. It's scaring the fucking shit out of
How
me.
many bloodsuckers were there?
One. I think. One,
There was
right?
2 at the fucking. You missed. There was 2 the other night.
Oh, man, after I went to sleep. Jesus, that thing kept
Yeah,
attacking the
plus
fucking
a,
base.
Plus a Portuguese. She sent the Portuguese and shit.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Yeah, it
I
wasn't
think I'm gonna
fucking
stay
good.
here and wait for Nathan to get back. I need to talk to him about this.
What happened?
We got attacked by this fucking like 40 mutants at Cat Farm earlier.
Jeez.
That's why we were trying to stop
Hey,
you
you know-
before you left the bunker and telling you to be
Yeah.
safe, man. That's like so many mutants you'd have
You know,
no
I'm-
chance by yourself.
Hey,
You
listen,
know, I'm waiting
listen,
for a
listen,
friend in the
listen.
town, so yeah.
Listen, I have heard stories too, though, of people that have encountered this mutant. Like, for example, one time, this guy was dying of radiation, basically, and this thing, it dropped an artifact belt with a note that said, "Leave the artifact belt in X place." Put the artifact belt on, his radiation was gone. He was able to live.
What, he helped him? I've only ever seen it do bad
yes,
things.
Yes. He's helped me before too.
He helped you after you shot him?
That-
That's insane. How did he help you?
He gave me an M4.
No fucking way.
Duh,
What the
he
fuck?
Just left me an M4.
So wait, how do you communicate with this thing?
This thing is, it's you speak to it and
Maybe I should apologize the next time I see it
I'm-
for shooting it.
I'm
Maybe
not-
it'll stop.
I'm not really sure how, but from what I have experienced, you just ask for forgiveness and say you're sorry. I just don't understand what you are type shit.
Well, I don't, so maybe I should do that.
But that's how I got out of my first encounter with him. And then literally he left me an M4 one time, and it was just a M4 with a note that said literally nothing.
That's wild.
Just a piece of paper tape.
Maybe he was trying to. Maybe he was trying to get you to communicate with him. Maybe he wanted to you to leave him a note.
He also does tests. I've heard of him doing tests, to where he'll like a group of stalkers will be going somewhere, and then they'll walk across say it's 4 stalkers. They'll walk across a group of like 4 AKs, and then they pick them up, and then
Then
there's
something
a
happens?
shitload of bloodsuckers that
Oh,
attack.
Jesus
like
Christ.
a shitload of bloodsuckers attacks them.
That's insane.
Yeah.
What is this thing? He doesn't. Well, if he's helping people too, he can't be
we
all
don't-
bad, you know.
We don't know. We don't know, bro. That's the thing. We don't fucking know.
This is insane, man. This is the wildest shit I've ever heard in my life, and it's only my second day here. I can't wait until my first week's over, if I make it that far.
No. Shit, just fucking thinking about this shit makes me need a cigarette.
Dude.
Right?
You want a
I'm
cigarette?
out of that, my
Yeah, I
friend.
could use a cigarette, man. After what we went through at Cat Farm earlier, yeah, I could probably use a cigarette.
Bro. Here, there's a cigarette right there.
Did she
Thank
talk
you.
to you guys?
We didn't even. I didn't
guys?
see her, or him, or whatever it
She
is.
talked to all of us the other night. And she talked to every single one of us the other night.
I heard she had a long talk
What
with
the
Nathan.
fuck? She spoke?
Yeah, I think
She
she's got a
spoke
thing
to-
for
She
Nathan.
spoke, yeah. She was speaking and laughing at us, bro. She was fucking after us.
What the fuck?
She appeared too, yeah, she was in this like weird ass fucking building thing and she kept walking by the door, bro. She's fucking creepy looking.
What? So she
sounds-
speaks.
Yes, it's a female, yeah, and she's fucking sexy as all hell.
She used. Okay.
Wait,
so,
what?
Like, she.
What? Shh.
I think someone's got a crush on a demon lady.
Used to
blame 'em.
whenever shit like this would happen, it would only communicate during through like notes.
No, she did. She did. And then she decided to call us fools and laugh at us a couple of times.
This is fucking nuts, man. Oh, I hear more wolves or cats.
That's okay. It's okay. They're far away. Don't worry about it.